Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning.
This is the second lesson of 4 lessons, and today we'll be talking about adding single and double digit numbers using diagrams. How do you guys feel about that?
I don't know yet.
Okay, well, we're going to go over the learning targets. Okay, so first learning target is I can tell a story about using addition in real life, in your own life, and I can draw pictures showing numbers being added together. Does anyone want to volunteer to repeat those back to me? Yes.
I can do the first one.
Okay.
I can tell a story about using addition in real life.
Okay. Do you want to say the second one?
I can draw pictures showing numbers being added together.
Good job. All right. So last lesson we talked about ways that we've experienced math in our own lives, just generally speaking.
Okay.
This time we're going to talk about how we've experienced math specifically using addition. Okay? So talk in your groups in ways that you've experienced using addition before and how that has been helpful.
Okay.
Ready? Go.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. When I go to the store and have to buy things, I always make sure I have enough money by adding everything else together.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. I usually, when I, come up to conclusions about things, I always add stuff together, like a math problem, and then I decide whether or not I want to confront people.
Do you guys have a good discussion?
Yeah,
All right. Does anyone want to share what they talked about?
I liked yours.
Yeah, Vanessa? Go ahead.
I said that I usually add things together while I'm at the store to make sure that I have enough money to buy things.
That's really good. That's so useful and so important to know how we need to figure out how to buy things at the store. Okay, so I've got a couple vocab words here for you guys. We've got this word here. Does anyone want to try to pronounce that?
Addend.
Close. You're basically right, but it's addend.
Oh, add-in.
Yeah, and then this one's pretty easy.
Some.
That's right. Okay, so let's talk in our groups again. Any wonders you guys have about these words, and some things you may be thinking about what they might mean, and just different ideas you have about these two vocab words. Ready, go.
Okay, first of all, I don't know what addend means.
Me neither.
Or it's added. Oops. Yeah, I've heard added. I've never heard addend. Okay, I know what sum means.
All of it.
Yeah,
The total.
so like the total. Yeah. Okay.
All right. Who wants to share some of the thoughts that they had?
So, okay, I know what added means, but I don't know what addend means.
Okay,
Or
what-
add-in.
Okay, well that's a start. What does added mean?
Added, it's like in addition to. So, for example, like, I don't know, if you go to a Justin Bieber concert and he added 2 more shows to his tour, it's whatever he was touring with plus 2 shows.
Okay, that's a really good example, actually. So an addend is just a number that's being added to another number. So you pretty much had the right idea.
Oh,
So this 4, we'll label that A, that's an addend. And this 5 would be an addend. Now, what would the 9 be?
the sum.
That's right. And why is that?
Because the sum is the total of.
It's the total amount after the 2 addends being added together, right? All right. So now let's have everyone take out a sheet of paper. Okay, so you guys already have your paper out. And now I'm going to write an example up here, and then I want you guys, before you write anything, just listen, and then I'll give you guys a problem to write down, and I want everyone to write it out in a diagram, however you want. here's the problem. 8 plus 4, and you guys can use any kind of picture you want, any kind of representation with the 8 and the 4, and I want to see how you guys understand how 8 plus 4 equals whatever it equals. Okay? So, just work independently, and if you need any help, don't hesitate to ask. Okay. Ready, set, go. Okay, now that you guys have had some time to write down your problem, if you're still not finished, that's okay. Let's have 2 volunteers to explain, actually just 1 volunteer, because we're a little short on time, to explain how they got their answer and what their thinking was.
Oh.
Anyone?
Me?
Jesse, did you want to share?
Okay, so first I drew 8 kids, and then I said plus 4 equals the Duggars.
Oh, because then there's 12.
There's 12 kids. Jim
Okay.
Bob. Jim Bob.
That's a really good. Hey, that's a really good connection you're making there.
Yeah.
Because you're connecting it to prior knowledge that you already
Yeah.
have.
Duggars have 12 children.
All right. Do you want to share, Vanessa?
Sure. I drew 8 ornaments and 4 Christmas trees. So I have 12 Christmas items.
Okay. Hey, it doesn't have to be the same thing. It could be the same theme, though. So, very good representation. Now, we're going to talk about something real quick that's going to lead us into the same concept of our next lesson and get us closer to what we want to learn at the end of this segment. Okay, let's do 3, 3, 3, and 3. Okay, so 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Now, I'm not going to draw a diagram how to solve that. I want you guys to be brainstorming and thinking how we could solve that with a diagram that'll show us repeating, adding the same number, okay? So let's just think about that, and then we'll come back to this and review it in our next lesson, okay?
Okay.
Sounds good. Good job. You guys are second graders, by the way.